Okay, I'm not sure if this counts as progress or not, but there is a hub and axle able to turn with a backplate stationary, and a backplate retaining plate or anti-turn plate is going to go there, as you can see. And the drive dog this side, it's just falling down. But as you can see, I've manufactured parts to do the spacing for this. I've had to use a little spacer inside, just a washer. But that seems to work. My big fear is if I get hold of this wheel, okay, look at that. Can you see that amount of wobble? Now, that's because this end has got two bearings in, and I haven't cut this end yet. Here, cut this end off here to insert the bearing retainer and the inboard bearing, so it is able to wobble about on these bearings. I don't like the way it wobbles about, but there's bugger all I can do about it at the moment. But that's sort of what it would look like, and if I turn that, you can see the hub's turning. This is the screw-on drive dog. It hasn't got the plate with the dog actually in it, but you can see it's turning. Yeah, sort of progress, sort of. I'm just getting there bit by bit. I think it will work. I just don't know whether when it's actually in operation there'll be loads of, grabbing and whatever. I hope not. I mean, if you get this out of line, you can actually feel this sort of touching the back plate. So there's nothing I can do about it. It has to float free, like that. It has to float free with the 12mm axle in between it. So it's going to be a bit, touch and go. I may have to do something else as well, an additional fixing somehow, but I'll resolve that.